Good morning students. Yesterday we completed 3 questions. Today let's begin with the question number 4. In that question, simplification of complex fraction is given. Complex fraction, you already know what is the meaning. Already you written the definition also in the notebook. I explained that in the first class. In complex fraction, numerator may be a fraction or denominator may be a fraction, or both numerator and denominator may be fractions. That type of fractions are called a complex fraction. And here I written one question, 3 1 by 2 upon 4 1 by 5. Here numerator is a mixed fraction given and the denominator is also a mixed fraction given. So first of all, you have to convert the numerator into improper fraction. So that we are writing first 3 1 by 2 means 7 upon 2. That is 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, and the denominator 2 will come. Then upon 4 1 by 5 means 4 into 5 20, 20 plus 1 21 upon 5. Here in this step we converted both numerator and denominator in improper fraction. After converting this into improper fraction, you have to divide. In simplifying a complex fraction means doing the division only. So we are taking the numerator, that is 7 upon 2 divided by 21 upon 5. And in yesterday's class you already learned how to do the division of fractions. Same you have to do here also. 7 by 2 divided by 21 upon 5. So for doing the division you have to multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction, 21 upon 5. The reciprocal of 21 upon 5 is 5 upon 21. Now see, if there is any common number you can cancel that. Otherwise you can take a common factor for cancelling. Here check the number, this 7 and 21. Both number you can cancel. You can divide by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1 will come, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. Now there is no other number. It is not possible to cancel. So the remaining number you have to multiply together. In numerator 1 and 5 is remaining. That is why we are writing here 1 multiplied by 5. In the denominator 2 and 3 is remaining. So you have to multiply that 2. 2 into 3, that is written. Now writing the answer here. 1 into 5, 5 will come. And 2 into 3 is 6. 5 upon 6. And check whether it is proper fraction. And if you have checked whether it is possible to reduce or not. This one 5 and 6, there is no common factor. So it is not possible to reduce also. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Question I written here. 1 1 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4 upon 5 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Here also numerator and denominator both are given in fraction. In numerator you have to do the addition, and denominator also you have to do the addition. So as I said in the first question, here also first you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here 1 1 by 3, the first fraction. After converting this into improper fraction, it will become 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3 plus the same way here. 3 1 by 4 means 3 into 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 upon 4. This is the numerator of this given fraction. Upon now this also we have to change into improper fraction. So here 5 into 7 35, 35 plus 2 37, 37 by 7 plus sign. Here also we are putting, this one is fraction, it is not in mixed fraction. So we are writing the same 3 upon 7. So in this step, in the first step, we converted the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. After converting this, first of all we will solve the numerator only. In this addition we have to do 4 upon 3 plus 13 upon 4. It is unlike fraction given 4 upon 3 and 13 upon 4. See the denominator 3 and 4. And you know, for doing the addition of unlike fraction, you have to find out the LCM of the denominators. 3 and 4, the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we are taking 12 as the common denominator for both the fraction. And 4 upon 3, see the rough column here. First fraction 4 upon 3 multiplied by LCM 12. 3 and 12. 3 divided by 3 1 and 12 divided by 3 4. So 4 into 4 16. First numerator. It is addition sign, that is why we put here addition sign. And second fraction 13 upon 4 multiplied by 12. 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. Now multiply this 2. 13 into 3 39. Then upon the denominator we are writing. See the denominator. It is like fraction given 37 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Denominators are same. So there is no need of finding the LCM. You just add the numerators only. So that we are writing 37 plus 3 upon 7. Now we are solving this. 16 plus 39. The answer will be 6 plus 9 15. 1 remainder. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 50. 55 up by 12 upon 37 plus 3 40 upon 7. Then now you got both the fraction in improper. Only single fraction we got. Numerator is 55 upon 12 and the denominator is 40 upon 7. Now we will carry out the division. That is numerator 55 upon 12 divided by 40 upon 7. You know the division. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction and do the multiplication. Now it is like this. 55 upon 12. First fraction no change. In the place of division we are putting the multiplication sign. And 40 upon 7 you have to take reciprocal. It will become 7 upon 40. Now see this 55 and 40. Both number you can divide by 5. 55 divided by 5, 11 and 40 divided by 5, 8. Then now the remaining numbers you can multiply together and answer will come like this. 11 multiplied by 7 upon 12 multiplied by 8. Now do the multiplication. 11 into 7, 77 upon 12 into 8, 96. This is the answer of this question. Now let me explain the third question. Question I given here. 2 1 by 2 divided by 7 1 by 8 upon 4 1 by 6 divided by 3 1 by 9. In this numerator you have to do the division and the denominator also division is given. As you know already, first you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. First one 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. So the first improper fraction is 5 upon 2. That we written division sign. We put division sign here. And now this one 7 into 8 56. 56 plus 1 57 by 8 upon here 4 1 by 6. 4 into 6 24. 24 plus 1 25. It is 25 upon 6. This is also division sign. So here we put division symbol. Now this one 3 into 9 27. 27 plus 1 28. 28 upon 9. In the first step, all the 4 fractions were given in mixed form, that we convert into improper. Now numerator we will solve, then denominator we will solve. Now see the remaining solution. It is 5 by 2. For doing division you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we are taking, in place of division we have to do the multiplication. Multiplication sign we put 57 upon 8. You have to take the reciprocal, that is 8 upon 57 upon the denominators 25 upon 6. First one as it is be taken. In place of division we put the multiplication sign. 28 upon 9. Take the reciprocal. 9 upon 28. Now do the multiplication. Here 8 and 2. You can cancel by 2. 2 divided by 2. 1 will come. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now the same way here also. 9 and 6. Both number you can reduce by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now the remaining numbers we are multiplying together, that is in 5 into 4 upon 1 into 57 upon here 25 into 3 by 2 into 28. Now this is 5 into 4, 20 by 57 upon 75 by 56. Now you got the fraction like this, 20 upon 57 divided by 75 upon 56. There are also two fractions division. So you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction and do the multiplication. First fraction 20 upon 57. You have changed the written as it is. In place of division symbol we put the multiplication sign and the reciprocal of this one, 56 upon 75. Now you check any common factor is there, you have to do the reduction, and 20 and 75 you can cancel by 5. 20 divided by 5, 4 will come, and 75 divided by 5, 15. 15 5s are 75. Now there is no other number possible to reduce, so the remaining number, the numerator what is remaining multiplied together, and the denominator also remaining numbers multiplied together. So this will come like this way, 4 multiplied by 56 upon 57 multiplied by 15. So after multiplying this one, 6 4s are 24, 2 remainder, and 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 224 is the numerator, and 57 into 15, your answer will be, after multiplying this 57 multiplied by 15, your answer is 855, and this is the answer of this question. Okay, now this is your today's homework. 4 questions I given.